Well, welcome back to Shop Stokel Garage. Where today we are working on our 91 Camaro RS, the 3.1 liter V6. This is our Plan B power tour car, and that's what we're down to, with tomorrow being the day we pick up our credentials for power tour in Indianapolis. So, if you missed our other short we did the other day, our 85 IROC clone, the fuel pump decided it did not want to cooperate anymore with just a couple days to go, so didn't have time with work schedule and things to replace that. So we're going with Plan B, and we got a couple things to do on it. So this was my first car. Got it when I was 15. Mom bought it for me. So thanks again, Mom. And it needs new headlights. Some headlights need adjusted. It needs an oil change, because I think the last time it had an oil change was about 2011. And this is 2025. So it's been a minute. This car also sat for a while. I got it running again a couple years ago. Last time I had it out on a drive, it died on me on the way back. I think it had a clogged fuel filter. I changed that and it ran just fine. So we got a couple extra fuel filters in one of these bags here. That one. We got a couple extra fuel filters. We got some Berryman to throw in the tank. We couldn't find a spare tire, so we got the next best thing. We got a plug kit. We got a battery powered inflator charging in their shop there. So that'll be our spare tire. But anyway, let's start replacing these low beam headlights. We're not going to do the high beams because I kind of broke the selector dealie last time I drove it. But anyway, let's replace the low beams. We already unplugged the high beams, so that's not an issue. And then let's see about adjusting them later. All right, Aslan joined us, so that's good. So we got these two screws here, and there's a couple on the bottom that are hard to get to take this frame thingamajiggy out, and then unplug on the back and put the new headlight in. This is for the adjustment. There's also an adjuster screw on the side over here. So see if we can get this out and replaced. Hopefully we can, because I got the wrong screwdriver. I need one with a bigger head. That's okay. We'll make it work.
Is the one in the middle fake then?
Nope, the one in the middle is to adjust it, like I just said.
Why was it here? I was checking out.
You were standing right there, man.
No, I was checking out all the water that's in the shop.
Yeah, well, I don't know why there's all the water. Alright, sometimes we can get this out like that. So we're going to sneak behind here. Uh-oh, drop that screwdriver. And we're going to use this screwdriver to pop the plug off. Sometimes you can just pull them right off, but sometimes not. So we're going to pop that off. And maybe we can get it out without taking the bottom screws off. Let's see.
I'm excited. 2 days. 2.
You may not be able to get it without taking that off. It's close. But maybe not. See, there's a little wiggle. Give this a little turn. Here we go. That one's out. We'll get a new one.
Those not with them?
They work. They're very dim. You don't remember the last time we drove and they were very dim? I couldn't see anything at night.
No, I don't remember.
Plus this side was pointed to the sky. So we're going to have to adjust it. And we'll just throw that over there. Alright, we'll put this in right side up.
You want me to put in the truck of the bed of the truck?
No. Oh, that truck. Yeah, not that truck. We got the extra vision, so we can see extra. And these are the H4656. So we'll slide that guy right back down in there. In there.
Hey, that's not lining up, bro.
What do you mean it's not lining up?
Not all the way.
It's literally in there. There it goes. Right in.
You're only doing the one on each side?
Yeah. So we're going to do the other side, and then we'll move on to something else.
Hey, Mr. B, you should probably go away.
Alright, well, Aslan's working on that side. While she's doing that, I will get rid of some trash. The other headlights, the old ones, still work somewhat. We're going to keep those just in case. use this one. Stick it down behind the connector and just kind of pry that connector off.
Where?
The plug that's connected to the back of the light.
I can't see it.
What do you mean you can't see it? It's literally right there. Got it. And you just pull this out.
Or not.
Yeah, it'll come out. It just needs to get out of that lip. There it goes.
Ew, crusty.
It's fine. Alright, I got the other new one. You fart?
Yeah. Did you race on with this?
Did I race with this?
Yeah.
Only the one time when an actual drag car broke down, and I swapped the number onto this one and drove this one. All right, put your screws back in. So we got that. We got to change the oil and clean the inside. So let's figure out somewhere we're going to go to do the oil change since the shop's full.
I'm not.
Alright, Aslan's putting in our new oil. The oil that came out didn't appear too bad, so maybe I did change it 2 years ago, but just didn't write it down. I don't know. Either way.
Hey, sticker.
Yeah, a sticker. We'll have to do a new sticker. The sticker that was in there is from, I don't know what it's from, a long time ago. A Walmart oil change, maybe? I don't know. It's in there forever, but after laying on the ground in the gravel driveway to do this one, this time here, with the ramps, definitely glad we got the lift in there. Because I'm getting too old and too fat for this. Alright, we'll wrap this up, get the car back down, and then see what's next. Probably cleaning up some on the interior. Well, Aslan's got the vacuum out. Trying to clean up. I don't know what you can see. The sun is so bright for me. Anyway, she's in there. Aslan's got the vacuum out. Getting this vacuumed. Trying to clean this up the best we can. We're not going to worry about cleaning the seats because, well, we're out of time. Oh, there's the mud hole Aslan likes to play in. Well, no spare tire. No problem. We'll just use that for some tool storage and some spare parts. We got a couple extra fuel filters.
Space.
We got jack, the factory jack. We got a bottle jack under there somewhere. We have a tire inflator. We have a plug and patch kit. We've got some, just a random tool set. And in that bag there, I think we put in there a test light, multimeter, and a flashlight. So we're just going to use that for tool storage. Over on this side, we also have some random wrenches, spark plug sockets that's the wrong size, some screwdrivers, and a pair of ice grips, as I thought we should throw in there. So that's in there. Don't pull that off, bro.
No, the thing
Yeah.
that's in there.
Yeah, it's just junk in there. So that's what we're using that space for, since we don't have a spare tire. Hopefully we don't need one. And we just added our battery jump pack thingamajig in there. So we should have stuff. Should be good enough. Well, we have now wiped on some Vice Grip Garage Shine Juice. So she's looking pretty shiny. We got some Black Magic tire shine on there. The wheels don't want to clean up the best, but that's okay. The rest of the car looks pretty shiny. We'll throw in a couple pictures to show you what it was during. I didn't quite get it before, but we'll show you during. So there it is, shined up and ready to go. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow, so we'll probably put it in the garage and wait till time to go check in. Well, Aslan and Candace have decided to try to fix the headliner with some glue. May not work, so we might have to get some clippy things. But we'll see. What you got? Glue on your fingers? Ooh.
Sticky.
Sticky.
Very sticky.
We even got Logan out here cleaning windows. Right?
No.
No. Looks like you're cleaning a window to me. So today we did our final prep on our Plan B Hot Rod Power Tour car. We got it headliner halfway fixed. I'm gonna get some clips to try to fix that some more. We got Vice Grip Garage Shine Juice on it, make it nice and shiny. The sun's not even out and it's shining. So it's shiny. What else did we do? Oh, we changed the oil. We put new headlights in it. That's probably about all we did, I think, really.
The mats.
Oh, we got some new floor mats. They are black and red. They match the car, the red. So that's good. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you on Hot Rod Power Tour. And
Don't
forget to eat your shopsicles.